container inside the folder. So I'll go to new, what's more, new. I'm going to create another folder. Good. And this folder, I want to call it records of work. So work, accept. I'm done. Now, I don't want to open it, so I can just click anywhere, it will be saved. Okay. One more folder. I want to have a folder for attendance register, still in standard 4, still in standard 4. So I'll go to new, good, tap on folder. Now I want to have attendance register. Then accept by just tapping on the enter once. Good, that's the name. Now I want to go to my attendance register bag file and add some other folders. I want to know from you, what do you think could be the folders that could be created in any of those folders? Let's say attendance register. What other folders can I put inside attendance register folder? Any suggestions? All right, let's see. So this is Sunday 4 attendance register. I open it. Like just yeah, it's open, but it is blank. There's nothing. This path shows that I am in attendance register. This attendance register is in standard 4. Standard 4 is on the desktop. But I want to have another folder here in attendance register. So in my case, I want to have attendance register for term 1, term 2, and term 3. So it could mean I may need to have 3 more folders in attendance register. So I have open here, it means it's open, but it's blank here. So just go new and then folder. I want to call that folder term 1. Term 1 and accept. It's done. Then I go to another folder again. It's getting slow. Good. So another folder, I call it term 2. Accept. Then finally, another folder, in the same attendance register. I'd call it term. Oh, what's happening? What happened? Okay, let's wait and see. Now I'm gonna close something. Something has happened here. Let me just close it. But okay, let me just go to the desktop. Oh, here is my folder down here. I'm going to install the folder. Open that folder. Good. I was in attendance register here. There it is. Then I was working on term 3. I didn't finish. What do? I will rename. I'll give it a different name because it just showed T. I didn't finish typing. Then something happened. So you have an opportunity also to learn how to rename, to give a different name to a folder that has already been created. So there you tap on it, then right click, tap the right button of your mouse. Once you will give options, then here rename. I want to change the name of the folder. It was just T. I want to make it term 3, then accept. Good. So if I open term 1 folder, it is still blank. But what it means is term 1 as a folder is in attendance register, which is yet another folder. Then this attendance register folder is in standard 4 folder. The standard 4 is on the desktop. The desktop on my computer. This is my computer, on my computer, on this computer. We are going to have a file. So what do we do? I open term 1. Okay, so it's already open. So I go to new. Now I'm creating not a folder but a file in this folder now. So you type new Word document, give it a name, and I'll say attendance register, and then accept, press enter. Okay, so this is opening because I tapped twice. Okay, let's give it a chance to open. It wants to open, so I will not stop it. Let's wait. Okay, its will has been done. So I will close it because I didn't intend to open it. I will just close it without doing anything to it. That's gone. So now this is a file. This is a file. This file is in a folder. Which folder? This one here, term 1. And this folder is in this folder, attendance register. Attendance register is another folder, standard 4. Okay, so this is a file. The difference between this and this attendance is that this is a folder on top, a folder for all attendance registers, while this one is a single file, attendance register for term 1. So that's how we can create folders, but also put some files in the folders. I have only shown you one way of putting folders, not folders, files in a folder by creating a file in the folder. There are other ways you can call, yeah, like a drag. You can drag a folder into a file, or a folder into another folder, or a file into a folder. You can copy a folder and paste, put it in a folder. That should be a lesson for another session. But for now, I hope you have understood how to create a folder and why you create folders. And you also want to remember that the names you give to your folders must help you to recognize faster, remember faster where your work is. If you give them names just anyhow, you'll be looking for your work in the computer without finding it because you didn't even don't even remember the name you gave to your folder. You don't even remember where that folder is kept. So that's the process we want to remember, and familiarize, practice how to create a folder and why we want to create folders. So that work that we created later on, earlier on, we could get it all and put it in one of these folders. Maybe you could put them in test items. If you had a file inside a folder, test items, you have to, yeah, here, test items. So we could copy those files we created earlier on and paste them in that folder. Let me, for now, stop there so that you can practice on your own how to create folders. Not just folders, but a folder in another folder, in another folder, in another folder, and maybe in the very last folder, put a file. Thank you for your attention.